everyone, this is Trevor here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. We're in the beautiful White Mountains of Arizona, and today we're here to talk about performing the BG fuel system induction cleaner. Deposits can be caused by several different reactions inside the engine. In both carbureted and fuel-injected engines, small amounts of fuel evaporate as they're sent through the fuel ports and then cling to the tiny holes they're supposed to pass through. This is just one area where deposits can build up. But eventually they'll rob your engine of its power and can cause serious hesitation and stalling if left unattended. We use the BG fuel induction service that cleans the throttle body, intake manifold, and removes the carbon deposits on the back of the intake valves. To start the process of the fuel induction service, we pour in a can of 44K fuel system cleaner into the fuel tank. Then I'll proceed to fill up the BG fuel induction service machine with the air intake system cleaner. We remove the intake boot to gain access to the throttle body. We clean the throttle plate and then we hook up the device to the throttle body for injection. We start the engine and start injecting the cleaner. After the contents of the BG intake system cleaner are depleted, we reinstall the intake boot and road test the vehicle. Thanks again everyone for watching. This is Trevor here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Be sure if you have any questions or concerns with your engine running sluggish that you visit horneauto.com, set up an appointment with one of our service advisors. Thank you.